Hello, we're in Montgomery today between Lakewood Creek Elementary and Blackberry Trail Park. We are at 2741 Avalon Lane. We have a 4-bedroom with a loft and a bonus room and 2.5 bath house. Come check it out. The interior features brand new vinyl plank flooring, carpeting on the second floor, and granite countertops. And the bonus room could be used as a 5th bedroom, hangout area, or guest quarters. If you'd like to see this house in person, give me a call on that info below. My name is Danielle Tully and I'm with eXp Realty.